Alright guys, this is Tazy, or Plenty Designs as I am otherwise known. This is my first tutorial for Palm Tutorials page, and today we're going to be doing 3D tracking in Boujou with adding objects in 3ds Max and then compositing in After Effects. Now there's a lot to get through, so if I do rush, I apologise. Right now, first of all, I've already pre-made this because there's not a lot of time. So what you do to get your scene into Boujou, you need to click this import sequence, and after you've imported it, you can play through, so you've got everything. And then first of all, what you do is you go to set up, edit camera, and then you change the frame rate to whatever frame rate your clip has. A PVR has 59.94 and a dazzle 29.97, or whatever your clip is. Okay, then you click on track features, and it will come up with this dialog box. You have all frames selected, and then you click advanced. Have the max search distance to 30, sensitivity 1 above half, and feature scale as large. Then click start. Once that's finished going through it, you then click on camera solve. Have all frames selected and all optimized radial distortion parameters. That will take quite a while to do if your clip is longer than 5 or 6 seconds. Okay, after this is done, you then go and onto 3D tasks, which is on the top bar. From the drop down menu, you click on adjust solve and have optimized camera path smoothness selected. After that is done, you then click on 3D task again and assess lens distortion, assess radial, and then after that is processed, you click accept and adjust. Now all these points will be as well connected as they can be. Another thing, you'll have more points than this at this stage, so what you do to get the points with the lowest amount of error, you click on 3D tasks, solve tools, and filter structure. Have that set as 25% and click OK. In 3D view, everything will be below or above the grid. I've already sorted this out. So what you do is you go to a point where you can see see every point that you want to track. You then select 2 points which you want to track for your this will either be X or Y axis. These 2 points here look parallel to each other, and they have a good track feature. So control click on both of them so you have them selected, and then go to edit scene geometry, add coordinate from hint and select the type as Y axis. You then update coordinate frame, and if you go back into 3D, it should look different. After you've done that, you're ready to export to desktop or wherever you want to save it to, ready for 3ds Max. On the camera solved, it will be camera solve 1. Your export type will be to 3D Studio Max, and your move type moving camera static scene. You export whatever frames you want to be exported. So I've already done this, so I don't need to. And you scale the scene by 10 from 1. Okay, after this is done, we'll move into 3ds Max.